Welcome to the Football Report with me, Jay and Joe. We are back after a long break. A lot has happened since the last time we were there. And Liverpool are the new table toppers after defeating Watford 6-1 at Anfield.
So Liverpool are back on the top of the table after 2 long years, and we have to say, Klopp has done a good job because it seems quite a long time ago when Daniel Sturridge was the only option, goal-scoring option.
Yes, that's the thing about Liverpool. They are performing as a group. Every player in the team is performing, and like players like Coutinho, Firmino, Mane, everyone is scoring for fun, and that's a big positive about Liverpool, and the fans should be happy about it.
And do you think it can last the run?
Why not? Why not?
It's good to know that fellow fan, Manchester City fan, is supporting a Liverpool run. So it's
Have to be neutral in this show.
yeah, and so we will move to our next match. It's Middlesbrough versus Manchester City. So Manchester City failed to win another game at home, and after they have faced Brendan Rodgers Celtic, the team seems to have lost the confidence, and something is going wrong.
I don't know what to say because like they are playing well. It's not like they're playing very bad or something like that because they are playing well. And teams now know that if they defend for life and they attack 5 or 6 times in the whole game, they can score 2 or 3 goals against Manchester City. And it's very irritating and frustrating to be as a Manchester City fan that it's happening.
You just defeated Barcelona.
Yes,
How does it feel that Middlesbrough are getting a point
that's the most frustrating part about this because one day they are taking the fans to the sky level like for the happiness and everything, and the next day they are taking them to the ground floor about losing 2 points against Middlesbrough in a home.
Do you think Victor Valdes should have done this to Pep Guardiola?
I don't know seriously, I don't, and because it's really frustrating about it.
Yeah, during the start of the season, you said this is all because of Pep effect. Now, what did Celtic do? Can we call that the greenhouse effect because of the green jersey?
I think I think Celtic Brendan Rodgers has given the character, and he has taken all the character from the Manchester City players.
Yeah, you need
Yes,
characters to
yes,
beat.
yes.
So, moving to our next match, we will discuss the North London Derby. So Arsenal paired a 1-1 draw against Spurs at the Emirates. Harry Kane scored on his return, and I heard that Arsenal fans are pretty happy about that they have regained their fourth spot.
Yes, I think Wenger must be a proud man today because he has achieved this feat again. And it's the most common thing in this Premier League. Like Arsenal are both at their favorite spot.
And I heard that Spurs fans are also very happy because they have got their familiar position back because they are behind Arsenal, and also they have kept their unbeaten record.
They are unbeaten and they must be proud about it. And I think if they remain unbeaten the whole season also, they will stay below Arsenal.
So On a serious note, Pochettino has reverted to a 3-4-3 formation in this match. Do you think he has lost trust in his main planning?
I think a lot has to be said about this Toby Alderweire's injury, because he's such an important member of the squad and he's injured and they don't have a solid backup for Toby. Like, and that's why I think he reverted to the three man back formation.
So moving on to our next match, we will discuss the Chelsea's 5-0 win over Everton.
So Chelsea were irresistible against Everton, and many people are saying that this is one of the best displays they have ever seen. What's your take on that?
I think they played beautiful football, and I think lots have been given to Conte because he's been so amazing in the touchlines, and I think he must be giving lots of Italian pizza to the Chelsea players in the back in the dressing room.
So talking about the performance, do you think you have seen a better performance than this in the Premier League?
In the Premier League, it has to be close this season with Tottenham against Manchester City also, but this was something special with them.
Are you saying it's because Manchester City lost that?
No, Tottenham were amazing that day, and Chelsea against Everton were beautiful also to watch as a neutral fan. And I think I am jealous. I am jealous after seeing this performance.
Chelsea won 4-0 against Manchester United, and Jose was very hurt about how they finally won the captain. What's your take on that? How he's trying to?
I think Conte was like he put Batshuayi and Moses in the last half, and he was trying to encourage them. And what's the harm in it? We have to encourage the players. And I think if Mourinho is angry about it, then it's nothing he can do about it, because it's Conte's freedom. We can.
So moving on to our next match, we will discuss Manchester United's 3-1 win over Swansea.
So Man United finally won a game thanks to goals from Paul Pogba, who scored a blinder, and a brace from Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Do you think they have turned the corner?
It's a very difficult question because they are performing. They have been performing poorly as a team, and I think with the squad they have, the quality they have, they should be up in the league table. They should perform a notch above this the way they are playing. And I think Mourinho should deserve every beating he deserves, because he deserves the beating, because the team has been playing poorly. He's not playing Mkhitaryan, who is one of the most talented players in the squad, and I don't think I don't know what he's doing.
Also, one thing I noticed is that every manager has found his best 11 apart from Mourinho.
He played a very absurd playing 11 in this week against them, Swansea, and it was surprising for me to see that squad consisting of Jones and Rojo and Fellaini, the slow players in the team. And yes,
Do you think they got lucky because it was 19 days
Swansea, they are playing terribly also, and I think Man United won because of the quality they have in this squad.
superior?
Yes, superior quality.
Now, Zlatan Ibrahimovic scored the 25,000 goal of the Premier League. Everyone was happy,
Yes.
and the celebration was also good. Do you think Phil Jones would have liked the celebration?
I think the expression that he gave it was not like he was happy with the celebration, but the cake was really in front of him.
I think that's very dangerous because he just returned from an injury.
Yes.
I think Zlatan shouldn't be doing that.
I think he can have an eye injury after seeing him so close, and I think he's a very injury prone player, and everyone should be careful about it. And no one cares if he gets injured also.
And so Paul Pogba played very well in Wales. Do you think he's finally adapting to the game of the English?
He's lacking the support in the squad, and I think if the midfielders can support him, then he's a really quality player. I am saying this. I have bashed him. I know he's a good player, but I have bashed him because he was not performing, and he will take time to adapt.
Jose said that Fellaini
Yes.
is giving good balance to the team. What do you think he's smoking?
I don't know, must be a special weed or something like that from somewhere in the hills of Manchester or something somewhere like that.
So this is it from us tonight, and
Thanks for watching. Enough of it.
So, thanks for watching our video, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, what are you doing? Why you? Where is Dipton? I don't know. Where is Dipton? 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 Dipton?